Hello student, in this lecture I will discuss two important complex number inequality and which is the part 1. So consider we have two complex number in the complex plane like z1 and z2 and connect these two complex number with the origin O, that is the OZ1 and OZ2, and taking a line parallel to the OZ1 from Z2 and taking a line parallel to the OZ2 from Z1, and they are meet at each other at some point, okay, or you can name this coordinate, okay, 0, A, B and C. So these make a parallelogram with the coordinate 0, A, B, C, O, A, B, C, or you can write that, and of which the coordinate of A and C we know, that is the Z1 and Z2, and OZ1, that is the OA, is nothing but a position vector in the complex plane, and we can write this as a Z1. And what is the length of this vector? That is the modulus of Z1. Similarly, we can write this as modulus of Z2, and simply for AB also, this is nothing but modulus of Z2, and this is the also modulus of Z1, okay. And you can connect this diagonal, that is the OB, such that it make and also AC, so make it complete, okay. So consider the triangle OAB. So we can write what is the OB, what is the vector representation of OB, and this is the Z2, and it is nothing but OB vector is nothing but Z1 vector plus Z2 vector, okay. And in this triangle we know, and in n triangle we know that the sum of two sides is always greater than the length of the third side. So we can take the third side as OB, and sum of the side is Z1, mod of Z1 and mod of Z2. So from the triangle, so from the properties of triangle, we can write that modulus of Z1 vector plus modulus of Z2 is greater than modulus of OB, that is the Z1 plus Z2. And similarly, by reversing the direction of the Z2, we can also write that modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2 is greater than modulus of Z1 vector minus Z2 vector. So combining these two, we can write that, modulus of Z1 vector plus modulus of Z2 vector greater than modulus of Z1 vector plus minus Z2 vector, okay. And this is strictly greater than from this, and this is directly from the properties of triangle, and it is strictly greater than not is equals to 0. If it is equals to 0, then origin Z1, and there is the point corresponding to this Z1, and Z2 are collinear, okay. So we can conclude by that modulus of Z1 vector plus minus Z2 vector is less than is equals to Z1 vector plus Z2 vector. In general class, it is the greater than, strictly greater than, but for equality, if their origin Z1 Z2 are collinear, then it will be, then the equality sign will be also hold. Okay, so it is the first inequality. We just studied it. So what is the second inequality? So the second equality is, so consider the triangle. Now consider the triangle OAC. So consider this triangle OAC, triangle OAC. Okay, so we know that in the previous case we know that the sum of the in a triangle, sum of two sides is greater than the sum of the third side. In a similar case, the difference of, that is the absolute difference of the two sides is always less than the third side. That is the, if we consider the side as mod of Z1 and Z2 and the third side AC. Okay, like if we consider the again the picture, there is the OA, it is the C, it corresponding to Z1, it is Z2, and this is this AC, this is Z1 vector, this is Z2 vector, then this will corresponding to Z1 minus Z2, Z1 minus Z2 vector. Okay, or you can also write that it is nothing but Z1 minus Z2, it is simply, or you can write that Z2 minus Z1. Okay, and by simply just reversing the sign you can also write Z1 minus Z2 vector. Okay, and also the Z2 vector plus Z1 vector just by reversing the sign. And this, the property of the triangle says the modulus of difference between side OA minus modulus of OB is less than this AC. So what is OA? That is the modulus of Z1 vector minus, what is the OB? Not OB, there is the OC. So what is the modulus of OC? There is the nothing but Z2 vector, and it is less than modulus of Z2 vector minus Z1 vector. Okay, and you can also write, just reversing the Z1 vector, you can also write that modulus of the modulus of difference, that is the this difference Z2 minus Z2 vector less than modulus of Z2 vector plus Z1 vector. Okay, and combining these two you can conclude that modulus of Z1 vector and modulus of Z2 vector is less than is equals to modulus of Z1 vector plus minus Z2 vector, and this is strictly less than, and if it is, it will be greater than if the similar case it will be, there is the, and for equality sign, if origin Z1 Z2 are collinear. Okay, so combining these two inequalities, that is the modulus of Z1 plus minus Z2 less than is equals to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2, and modulus of the difference between these modulus Z1 vector minus Z2 vector less than is equals to modulus of Z1 vector plus minus Z2 vector, we can combine these two inequalities and form a single most important inequalities, that is the difference between these two modulus, that is the modulus of Z1 vector minus modulus of Z2 vector is less than is equals to modulus of Z1 vector plus minus Z2 vector is less than is equals to Z1 vector plus Z2 vector, and which is combining a very important properties in the inequalities in complex number. Okay, so thank you.